Good evening, folks. Or should I say good morning? Appears to me they're back up to their old tricks again. Here's a picture of the sun from August 21st at 6:33 a.m. UTC time. And there's something quite large. And as you can tell by looking here, it actually curves. It's curved. It's not flat, it's curved. But something large and round traverses or passes between the satellite and the sun, blocking it out. And this is not, there are several of these that I've seen. There is no planetary object that is even close to these satellites like this at all. And it is quite interesting. Oh, look, see? You can actually see the bottom of the sun there. Look at that. And then boop, it's gone. And that's not all. There's a lot of stuff going on in our solar system, especially with our sun and our moon, and people are not even paying attention. They don't even know. But that's what I'm here for, to try and bring knowledge to everybody. I'll show you some more here in a minute. I've had to get in really carefully with this. Here's another one, August 22nd at 6:03 UTC time. So right around the same time. Oh, excuse me. Yeah, that's correct. But a different day. And here it comes again. Watch this. I'm gonna try and get it to where you can see. Oh, yeah, because when it takes its shot, it's already black. Let's see if I can get it coming off where you can see the roundness of it. I don't know if it'll. Oh, come on. Sorry, it won't let me do it. That's right there at the end. Whoa, what was that? Look in the middle of the sun there. Oh, look at that. What was that? What is that guy? Did you see that? Like, what was that? Like, seriously. What was that? Almost looked like, a comet? Or, there he is. What is that? Looks like it's shooting straight down. Right here. Or maybe a photon torpedo. Or some kind of craft hauling buns. I don't know. Alright, here we are at the Solar Dynamics Observatory. And we're watching the sun in a different angstrom of light. This is 171 high cadence. It actually slows it down, and you can actually see quite a bit better. From the first one, I actually counted 3 times where something goes between the satellite and the sun. And it ain't small. Right? There. Oh. Oh. You can still see the sun poking out the other side there. You go by little by little. And trust me, this is not easy. Especially when you're on a laptop. Oop, back it up a little bit small. Maybe we can see it. No, it won't quite do it. Ah, dang, won't let me do it. Alright, but the time on this is, and this is the 20th, at 7:28 is when it completed its pass. Let's get to the next one. There's a little something I want everybody else to look at again. This is before I find the other traverse. I want everybody to focus right over here. This is an active sunspot, and it's erupted, but pay attention right over here. Something that is completely round and circular, almost like a planet or a small star or something. No, I'm just kidding, but not really. I'm going to move this forward for you to see it. I've been noticing this for quite some time. Watch as I move it slowly. You see it? Perfect round, not like an arc, but like round on all sides, like perfectly a complete and perfect circle. Do you see it? Yeah. How you doing? And you notice how the eruption right there? It actually kind of blasts it, but look at it. It is completely perfectly circled like some form of planet or a second sun that we cannot see. Why can't we see it? Well, because it glows in infrared. It's either a red or a brown dwarf star. Well, you see the little explosions on the sun there? Yeah, our sun's been acting up. She's not happy. She's actually quite pissed. But let's get to the next one. This one is beautiful. Watch this. Whoa, see that? Boom, boom. So you see her coming? Boom. And close. Let's see if it comes off good. Probably won't. It gave us too good of a one coming in. You gotta remember. Oh, there it is. Well, wait a minute. It came in from the left. Why is it all of a sudden going clear up to the, from the top side? Like, what is that? That almost doesn't make sense. I mean, if we saw it going from right to left, but now all of a sudden it's clearing up going straight up. What? How does that make sense, folks? I don't even get it. On to the next one. Here's another little thing to note. There are a lot of these when you're going through, you'll see like a bloop, but it's for like one frame and gone. This happens a lot. Not just here. Sometimes it's over here, but it's always on the bottom side. But this happens a lot. Why? What don't they want you to see? Who knows? Here we are still on SDO. This is 304 angstroms of light. Basically, it's like infrared. Okay, and we're taking a look at the sun. Actually, no, this may not be infrared, but one of the things I keep in particular attention to, and this began on August 20th at 9:18 UTC time. Do you see this? And this? This is a large buildup of plasma/hydrogen wave projecti off the sun that's just floating on top. Now, this is only 17 seconds, so we're going to watch the whole thing, but keep your eyes on that and kind of watch what goes on over here, too. Watch this. So you can see what, all that stuff. Like, look at that arcing up like that. Look at this just building up, just hanging out. Now, I happen to have a little bit of other information, inside information, I guess if you will, that has been talking about a great solar flash that is coming. Think it could be from that guy? Or maybe like from this flare right here? And it could very well knock out power to the whole planet. We're overdue. Way overdue. For a micronova, if you will. Every 12,000 years, we have one. Things that they hide from us in history, or his story. So that way they can manipulate the past and hold on to the power and the money for themselves. It's disgusting. And here we are again. We are at 335 angstroms. SDO. This is August 20th, 11:51:14 UTC time. You have to kind of look below this line in order to really see the time. It's kind of dim, but take a look here. Another perfectly round, circular, planetary type object. There. And it's just kind of there hiding out. Now, as the sun rotates, or our main sun, should I say, it should come around the limb all the way, right? But it doesn't. It actually just kind of hangs out. How does it do that? It looks like it might have disappeared. Well, that's because of the light is refracting in a way that it starts to hide it. Especially if that's that active sunspot. You see that bugger getting bright, covering up the light of that sun. But then the flare comes back down, and then it reveals it again. It's getting weird, folks. This is actually my favorite one to look at. you actually have to tap on this one, and you have to specifically go to the video and to get to it. If you kind of start at the beginning and you kind of scroll through, it'll pass over this every time, and they do that intentionally. This is angstrom 211, 193, and 171 overlapped. So that's why you see all the multiple colors. But watch this. Watch this region here. Right as she blows, all of a sudden it goes blank. Almost like they're trying to hide it. Watch this. There we go. She's going to blow here. And here it comes. Ooh, you see her going? Boom! And that's a fast blow. I mean, from that to that in 12 minutes between photos, that's a large, fast eruption. Now, as soon as she does that, I mean, look at it. Boom! She's in the middle of eruption. Oh, you see? Did you see that shadow change? You see that? Coming from the right. Look on the right of the screen. See? I go, and all of a sudden it gets darker because they're about to blank it. Doop! There it is. Covered it up for a few frames. And then all of a sudden, oh, all is well. Right? Like, all is well. But yet, there is a perfect circle again. Right there. Same time frame, folks. Oh, look over here. There's another perfect circle. Damn. How many second suns do we have? Do we have 3? Are they planetary objects? Like a space station? Or spaceship of some sort or another? I don't know. Let's continue on, shall we? See if we see anything else come out here. If I see anything else, I'll bring it up to you. But this is a very good one to see what's going on. This one tells a lot of truth. All right, folks. This here is it's still on Solar Dynamics Observatory, but this here is a different page. This is crap. What is it called again? I don't even remember. Proba 2. Okay, and I want y'all to pay attention. It does good contrast, so you can actually see things a little bit better. Look at the size of that damn filament little snake there. And oh, look, there's another big ass one there. And here's another one here. And here's another one there. 2 of them there. Folks, we're about to get, when this thing pops off in mid-September, actually around the beginning of September, actually, I'm going to say 9/11. Just because I know the evils that be in their paganism ways are all about dates and anniversary dates of stuff. 9/11, believe it or not, happens to be the first day of the Egyptian calendar. And yet, 9/11, what happened to the Twin Towers? Yeah, we'll see. We'll see when it comes around. All right, folks, look at this. Boom! What is that moving behind there? You see that? Right as this thing was going off, all of a sudden it looked like something was coming in to visit. Now watch. Some people say, oh, you're nuts. Watch this. Oh, hey, little fella. Hey there, little fella. Did you guys see that? And look at these guys just kind of going on by like, oh, we'll see you later. But if you also look up here, all of a sudden you'll see a blip of something like round. It just kind of comes in for a second. Boop. Oh, did you see that? It was right up here. Just boop, it shows up and then it's gone. What was that? Now this, I have no way of controlling the speed of playing it or stopping it on this one. I don't. But you see it pop up here, and I think I saw one down here earlier. But look at that. See that guy coming in? Right as it exploded, it's like, yeah, I'm going to come in. It ain't a star. You wouldn't be able to see. You can't see stars behind this. And then all of a sudden, here comes another one. Like, oh, hey, how you doing? Let's see what's going on over here. What the heck's going on? And then a couple other ones leaving. Like, what is going on here? Like, what in the Hannibals is happening? Let's find out, see if we can see somewhere else. One more thing before I move off of this one. Does anybody see this line right here that just kind of is there like the whole time during the explosion and everything? It never moves. And it's not connected to the disk. What is that in the middle of these solar flares in the, I mean, it's blocking. What is that? Is there a spaceship like creating that? Sucking force out of it? I don't know. I'll have to go to the next video because I'm running out of time, folks.